Kachi, 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 kachi.
Hi there. Okay, let me try to do this in Igbo. Unu jokwa o, abụ m Ukachi. Unu jokwa n'ime YouTube channel m, abụ m Ukachi. Igbo onye ma Igbo onye na-ahụ channel m n'ụzọ ofu. Subscribe button nọ n'ala, biko pịa ya. Ma Igbo onye na-alachi ọzọ, jokwa o. My Igbo is mad. Let me try to say it in Yoruba. I can't say it in Yoruba. Yoruba is not fluent yet, because I have to be thinking. Okay, but hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Ukachi right here. If you are new, subscribe button is always down below. Visit, and if you don't know, welcome back home. So instead of showing you guys how I achieve these bomb ass. Take our time to admire these twists. This shit, that will just hit me at the right angle. I should get out to achieve this micro/mini twist. For this hairstyle, I used quite a number of products. I used about 4 or 5 products. The first product I used was I used a children's hair product because it was a gift from someone to me. She didn't even know that she bought like children's hair products, so she just gave it to me. So I used this detangling pudding from African Pride. From the Dream Kids collection. They're quick bounce detangling pudding. I can't really like this because it's really lightweight. I didn't want something really thick. I didn't want to use a leave-in conditioner, so this was actually like bomb for getting the job done. The next thing I used was, instead of using a leave-in conditioner to like preset or set my hair for the twist, I used rice water, guys, because I'm in like a rice water challenge, blah 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 phase. So I'm trying to rice water for like a month or 2. So you can also always use your leave-in conditioner, anyone that makes you happy, to be honest. I'm not using rice water because this is rice water, nothing too special. And the last thing I used was, the second to the last thing I used was my DIY shebe. It's not DIY shebe, my DIY shea butter. My DIY shea butter mix. The tutorial on this is already up on this channel. It's been up for a while, so I'll have a link down in the description box. I think I can't really remember the terms again. Jesus Christ. Okay. So I'm going to have this link down below, and this is what I use as my twisting medium. You can always use a gel, whichever one that's suitable for you. I just prefer using this in my hair because I don't really like having gels in my hair. I almost never use gels in my hair. And finally, the last thing I used was my Zeta Empire Growth Oil and Rejuvenating Oil. I love this oil. I actually stand this oil. This is my favorite oil at the moment, and I use this on my scalp because it gave me that tingling vibe. So without further ado, let's just get right into twisting our hair. And before I even go, this hairstyle took me about 3 or 4 hours to achieve, which is actually quite worth it because this hair is slim everywhere. Like there's no like cheating of it being fat anywhere. It is slim all over. Like it's thin. It's not. I didn't make anyone chunky at all. So it took me about 3 or 4 hours to achieve on and off because someone will go and eat, someone will come back and do their hair, someone will go and play, someone will come back and do their hair. So that's why it took me 4 hours to achieve this. So without further ado, let's just get right into twisting our hair. Okay guys, I started off with the African Pride dangling pudding. I sectioned my hair into about 12 and I used my rice water spray as a leave-in conditioner. I also used my white tooth comb and my other sectioning comb. Right now I'm not detangling my hair. I already have the spritz of my rice water spray in my hair and the detangling pudding in my hair. I'm just twisting it up into like various sections. I actually did not like go for like a very neat cutting for this, a very neat sectioning for this style because I wanted my twist to look like really full. I didn't want it to have like all them patterns all over. So these are my twists. I've already done. I was actually eating this fat. I've done like a good amount, and this is how I said. Once I get to the front of my twist, I cut a few rows horizontally before I start going in vertically. So right now I'm cutting it horizontally at the sides. I never pick my edges because what's the use? So I'm going in with my shea butter my shea butter mix, and I'm just applying it all over the strands of my hair. A little more for my ends. Then I section it into the amount I want. I think I section it into 3 here. Then I start plaiting it. I plait my hair with a braid from the start, and I turn it to twist. I start off with 3. Three different sections, and I turn it in. Start off with 3, plait about 5 rounds, and then I turn it to 2. And I apply more product to my ends, just keep them moisturized and sealed. Now that I'm in the front, I section it vertically, going again with my rice water spritz just for the extra moisture, because that part of my hair had already dried up. So right now I'm just sectioning my hair at the front vertically, and I repeat the same procedure. My ends are so bushy, my roots are so bushy, but that's how it is, and that's what it is. I apply more product now to this part, to my tips and my strands. Standard, I section into 3 again, and I start plaiting from the roots. I braid from the roots and I end it up in a twist. I advise to detangle your hair before you start this style, because it just makes the work easier. Products on my ends. I repeat for the last section, and that is all. This is how my hair looks. I ended up going in to spritz my hair with my rice water spray again, and then I applied my Ayurvedic oil all around my hair. The tutorial on how to make this oil is already up on this channel, so please check it out. I'll have it linked below. And finally, I went in with my Ziza Empire Growth and Rejuvenating Oil on my scalp, because I love the tingling effect of that oil. This is how I twist my hair up, guys. Just massage the oil into my scalp and see the bounce in my hair. No extensions added, that's just like my hair. That's all, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and your enemies too, wink. And follow me across all social media platforms and natural catching. Wait on for my next video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Sorry, bye.